Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify V. Cyclopentanol treated with Na2Cr2O7, an oxidizing agent, oxidize the secondary alcohol to a ketone, cyclopentanone, V. Moving on to the next step. W is formed from cyclopentanol plus PBr3. PBr3 converts the hydroxyl group to a bromide, bromocyclopentane, W. Moving on to the next step. X is formed from W plus Mg ether. This is a Grignard reagent formation, cyclopentyl magnesium bromide, X. And for the final step, Y is formed from X plus 1, V, cyclopentanone, 2, H3O+. The Grignard reagent, cyclopenthym, attacks cyclopentanone to give, after aqueous workup, 1 cyclopentylcyclopentane 1 ol, a tertiary alcohol, Y. This is dicyclopentyl carbinol, cyclopentyl, to ChO. Wait, cyclopentanone is a ketone, so attack of cyclopentyl Grignard on cyclopentanone gives a tertiary alcohol, 1 cyclopentyl, cyclopentane 1 ol, i.e., both groups are cyclopentyl attached to a carbon-bearing OH. That carbon is the former carbonyl carbon, giving cyclopentyl to COH with no extra H. Actually, cyclopentanone has the carbonyl in the ring, so the Grignard adds to give. The carbonyl carbon of cyclopentanone gets the cyclopentyl group added, breaking nothing in the ring. Product Y is equal to 1 cyclopentyl cyclopentane 1 ol, tertiary alcohol. Z is formed from Y plus CH3COCl, acetyl chloride. This is esterification of the tertiary alcohol with acetyl chloride to give the acetate ester, 1 cyclopentyl cyclopentyl acetate, i.e., the tertiary alcohol is acetylated to give Z is equal to 1 cyclopentyl acetate, the tertiary acetate ester. The product Z is the acetate ester of 1 cyclopentyl cyclopentane 1 ol, which is 1 cyclopentyl cyclopentyl acetate. This corresponds to answer choice B. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.